Welcome back, guys. And this is episode 5 of Technoventures, and this is the start of a very special unboxing series of PC parts. As you can see behind me, I have a whole PC parts that we will unbox and build, but not just any PC parts. This is the limited edition Gundam and ROG collaboration, and I got the RX-78 designed PC parts. So this is going to be a part-by-part video, and to start this video up, we will be unboxing the gaming router from the collab. So as you can see, I want to talk about the box. No, I also don't want to talk about the box. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This is the AX5400 dual band RT-AX82U performance Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. Its warp speed is Wi-Fi 6 and also Wi-Fi 5 compatible. For Wi-Fi 6, it's 5400 Mbps. For Wi-Fi 5, 2700 Mbps. So that's pretty nice. Really cool looking box. I like the Gundam themed background over here, and I like the letterings. So let's go ahead and unbox it.
12 seconds later.
Ta-da! And look at that beautiful matte finish, and again the Gundam background. That's really nice.
Nice.
So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it because I want to use it. Does it slip out? No, doesn't slip out. Here we go.
Yeah, boy.
Here we have our advanced Wi-Fi helper tip. This is our tip guide, information guide. Ooh! Hey! Take a look at that. It's pretty nice. The white finish and the distinguishable Gundam colors. The blue, yellow, and red colors. Hey, that looks cool. I'm gonna take it out from the plastic, fix its stands. That's our antennas. Really aggressive looking antennas. Really aggressive look here for our Wi-Fi gaming router. Here we have a Gundam, the RX-78U. Here's our router. Take a closer look. That's it. What's inside of our box other than the router? We have our adapters. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 different adapters, 4 different sockets for our power brick. Here is our power brick from Asus. Looks really nice, really small, really compact looking. There we go. Well, that's new. As you can see, this is not a normal socket. It looks like a clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how to use this. So here in our adapters, we have these 2 tiny little slots that goes in for our clip-like sockets. Other than that, we have our Ethernet cable that we will be connecting to our Wi-Fi provider. So that's about it for our gaming Wi-Fi router. Oh, we have other papers here as well. A VIP member warranty notice. Wow. A quick start guide for our gaming Wi-Fi router. That's nice. Again, here is our cool looking RX-78U router. At the back side, we have this goes where our power brick goes. This is our power button. We have a USB 3.0 connector here at the back and 4 LAN connectors, 4 gaming ports, and we have a 1. And other than that, we have 2 more buttons here at the back. So that's about it all for our gaming router. So that's it, guys. We've unboxed our gaming router. That's part 1 of this series, and we are going to unbox the other parts as well and talk about each of them part by part in our video. If you guys like more videos like this, you can like and subscribe on my page and YouTube channel. So that's part 1. See you guys in the next video, and we will be unboxing more Gundam X ROG collaboration PC parts.